Compliments of Tropical Storm Etta. Look at this mess. I mean, flooded back here. Look at this. Flooded. The crazy part is it's not even noontime and we are in the forecast to get more downpours all day. My God. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. Yeah. Everything out there is under. It'll be about a week or so before I can even walk out there. Yeah. Oh well, let Mother Nature do what she gonna do. Let's go see what the backyard looks like. Wow, look at that. Everything underwater. Look at that. Oh well, y'all be safe out there.